In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an event calendar in Confluence so you can organize team schedules, track important milestones, and keep everyone on the same page. To get started, open the Confluence space where you want your calendar to live. In the left sidebar, click Calendars. If you don't see this option, it may not be enabled for your space, so you'll need to check with your space administrator. Once you're in the Calendars section, click Add New Calendar or the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose the option to create a new calendar. Enter a clear name for your calendar, such as Team Schedule, Project Timeline, or Marketing Events. Then select the appropriate time zone to ensure all events display at the correct times for your team. Click Create to generate the calendar. Once it's created, you can begin adding events, milestones, deadlines, vacations, and other important dates. You can also share the calendar with your team and display it on Confluence pages for easy access. If you don't have the calendars feature available, keep in mind that team calendars may require a premium subscription or a separate app, depending on your Confluence deployment. That's all there is to creating an event calendar in Confluence. Thanks for watching.